Welcome, today I am with Realme C21Y and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So basically the most useful options that you can find right here. So we are going to start from the photo mode. So it's called the capture, and when you are here and click and hold the screen like that, you will get this sun icon and you can decrease or increase brightness level manually. So as you can see, when you want to change brightness level, you don't have to use the Pro mode. You can make it right here in the photo mode. And you can also adjust it manually, automatically, by tapping on the screen. And right now our phone will make it automatically. So that's the first useful option. Another one we can find in the settings. So we have to tap on the right upper corner. And in this place, you can change the volume key function. Currently it's set up on the shutter. So when you press volume up or down button, you are going to take photo. But you can change for more useful option for zooming. And take a look right now. For example, I will grab this box right here. I'm gonna put the camera like that. You have to press volume up to zoom in and volume down to zoom out. As you can see, it works very smooth. Another option that will help you with taking photo is the fingerprint shutter. So in this phone, at the back you can find this fingerprint sensor. When you touch it when the camera is open, you can take photo. Oh, I just misplaced right now. Take a look. Oh, I just cannot reach this fingerprint, maybe like that. Okay, as you can see, it's not working perfectly. Okay, right now it works. So basically, you touch this sensor and photo will be taken. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to go for another option. So when you scroll down, you can also find the countdown duration. So you can add this small delay to your shutter, 10 or 3 seconds. When you enable 3 seconds and press on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. So when you want to take, for example, the group photo and you want to put your phone on the tripod, you can set up like 10 seconds delay, press, go in the front of the camera, and the photo will be taken. So you don't need help from any other persons, like you can make it by yourself. And we can find here also the touch photography. So take a look when you enable this option, and sometimes you can hold your phone like that and you are not able to reach this shutter right here. So you can just press on the screen and you can also take photo. Currently with the shutter, because I just enable in the option, but also we can turn it off and make the photo without this option. And when you are in the more modes, you can also quickly add filters. So we can basically adjust temperature and the colors by using these cool filters. So you don't have to download any external application, like you can make it straight from our camera application. And when you are here, you can also use the Pro mode, where you can adjust a lot of options manually. You can set the shutter speed, AF, ISO, white balance, contrast and the saturation, and AF right here. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.